As the switch hitter and the youngest player in the Eastern League is batting left-handed. The 1-0. Swinging a high fly ball deep in the air to center field, turning Rojas back. He gives it a look over toward the wall, and it's off the bottom of the fence. Dominguez rifling into second base, a feet-first slide and a leadoff double. The 20-year-old Jasson Dominguez with a double to lead off the Patriots' bottom of the first in a...
As the 3-1 is outside for a walk, and Jasson Dominguez doing one of the things he does best, and that's work his way on base with the walk. Second in the Eastern League.
When a viral video with his manager in the office, Rachel Balkovic.
Runners go. First pitch to Sweeney outside. Throw down to third base from McDowell. And TJ Rumfield is going to get himself stuck in a rundown between first and second. Dominguez dancing between the two. If he can score first, that's going to be a run. And it will be, as Rumfield is tagged out, but the run does count. Some heads-up base running for Somerset.
And Phillips deals a 1-1. Swinging a liner into right field for a base hit. Rosario scores, and Jasson Dominguez has multiple hits in back-to-back games, an RBI single, and the Patriots extend their lead to 3-1 in the fifth inning. The 3-2, Dominguez runs, swinging a roller foul. Strike three.
And they want Sweeney. They're not going to get a chance with Dominguez.